handmade DIY rings and bracelets to add unique commemorative value to your jewelry. With the following professional machines, embark on your creative journey immediately. PerfectLaser Jewelry Laser Marking Machine PDB 400B1, combined with ring rotation function, easily achieves various exquisite and delicate design patterns on rings with excellent marking accuracy and high-speed performance. The birth of exquisite jewelry cannot be separated from the exquisite craftsmanship of cutting and welding. Laser welding machines, with their small heating area and low operating costs, demonstrate excellent welding quality on rings and bracelets. If you have a strong interest in our laser equipment, please feel free to leave a message for more detailed information.